In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your Caviar promo code. You can simply get the Caviar discount code in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up any browser of your own choice. If you're using an iPhone, open up your Safari. On the search bar, type in Caviar promo code 2023. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you'll have to choose a legit website. Select this website right here where you get 20% off any purchase on Caviar. Select any coupon code of your own choice. As you can see, our code is generated successfully. Make sure you copy the code to clipboard. Go to the Caviar website and paste in your coupon code before making any kind of payment. The simple trick here is to double check down and see if your discount code is applied successfully. That's how easy it is to get your Caviar promo code every month. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.